I was appointed as an advisor to the World Health Organization and to several leprosy charities. I traveled worldwide, but particularly all over India on behalf of leprosy. My research interests were always into the lymphatic system. This meant that I soon became a member of the global program for the elimination of lymphatic filariasis and attended several of their meetings, some in Africa, some in this country. What patients needed in the management of the morbidity of lymphatic filariasis was movement and massage. But they also needed attention to the skin. So its barrier function against bacteria and against various environmental irritants was in need of some kind of treatment, not just biomedical treatment. And it was obvious to me, and I wrote this in the Journal of Filariasis, that in India, yoga would do the trick when it comes to movement and massage, and the care of the skin could be well provided by Ayurvedic herbals, local system medicine. And in resourceful embers, this was likely to be both culturally acceptable, but also much cheaper than biomedicine. And that's how it began, because a colleague of mine, Dr. Brookes, who was chairman of the global initiatives for traditional systems of health, and I, as a colleague on that as a system, we both decided that we were going to the first World Congress of Ayurveda. And there we met Dr. Narad and found that he had similar ideas to ours. I introduced all I knew about the lymphatic system. And it soon led to better management of patients with lymphatic filariasis, huge elephantiasis-type legs. And it didn't take long. I wrote a paper in 2002, and by 2005, we were able to have a very good meeting showing that we had good results. And what we needed was not so much the expensive randomized controlled trials, but we just needed to prove that patients that we were treating in resourceful areas were responding, and we needed large numbers. As you know, today it's more than 4,000 patients that we have treated, and they have all had a good response.